I'm back off my holidays. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm reviewing Googoo hair extensions. Now, they kindly reached out to me last year, I want to say, and I did work with them before, so they've kindly sent me out some more hair extensions. And you're probably thinking, girl, you've got long hair already, why do you need hair extensions? I feel like I can style my hair a lot better. I feel like with hair extensions, if I curled my hair, it lasts a lot longer. Girl math, but to me it feels like it lasts a lot longer when I use hair extensions to either style it in a ponytail, or like in this case with Googoo hair extensions, I've gone for the 24-inch jet black hair extensions, and I want these so when I curl my hair, the curls last longer. So they come in this beautiful little box. I do have a discount code for you guys, so the discount code is TaraM15, which will get you 15% off purchases over $30, so that gets you some money off. And I've also got another discount code, which is TaraM18, which will get you 18% off when you purchase 2 items off their website. All links and codes and everything, as always, will be down below in the description box if you guys want to check out Googoo hair. I worked with them last year and I'm still using the hair extensions that they sent me before. So they've sent me a new pack, so you'll get it in this beautiful pink packaging, which shows you a little window of the colour of your hair. I did take it out of the box just to match, to see if it did match. It did. I got mine in jet black and I got them in 24-inch clip-ins. So not only do they do clip-in extensions, they also do tape-in extensions and things like that. So you've got your tapes, which come in all variety of shades and lengths. They've also got like tinsel as well, so like you've got clip-in tinsel, so that'll be good for like Christmas and New Year's and stuff like that, if you're interested in having like bits of tinsel in your hair, which sounds really cool actually. So they are like $13.99. They've got them in all different shapes, all different shades. So you've got rainbow, silver, pink, gold and purple. I've obviously gone for the natural black clip-ins today, which are absolutely stunning. So just a little bit about Googoo hair. So Googoo hair dedicates the development of high quality hair extensions. They have a brand and a warehouse in the USA and they ship worldwide. They've been running now for the least over 20 years with a history of hair extensions, so they know their business, guys. It's 100% Remy human hair. It's easy to apply. It adds volume to your hair. It blends naturally. It has 7 different length options. They're lightweight and super comfortable. There's free shipping worldwide and they have a dedicated customer service. With all that being said, I will leave all links to Googoo hair down in the description below for you to check them out. I'll also leave my codes on screen and down below so you can check those out. And without further ado, let's get into the review of this Googoo hair. So like I said, you'll get in the post, you'll get this beautiful pink box. They sent mine by FedEx, so I'm not sure if they do that worldwide. It might be who they use all over the world, who knows. It also comes in this plastic little bag, which is ideal just to chuck in your handbag when you're going like on holiday, or if you're going on a girls' night out and you're getting ready at the girls, then you can just chuck this in your suitcase. Like I take suitcases when I go to family members or friends, okay? And you can chuck it in your handbag if you're going on a night out. It's there ready. So that's the hair. Also in the box I got a little crocodile clip, which is a good quality crocodile clip to section your hair. You get 2 extra little clips, and then you get a little booklet that will basically tell you step by step how to put in the hair extensions. So as you can tell, this is my natural hair right now, so it just comes just above the boobies, just a little bit there. And I'm hoping that the other hair extension, well, the hair extensions will hopefully come to about here. Okay guys, so I'm literally sweating. It comes in this little net thing to keep it secure. Oh, this looks beautiful. It does look really nice. It feels like my own hair. Oh, that looks gorgeous. It's got this shiny gloss to it, which looks absolutely stunning. It is so long and it kinks at the bottom, and then it's just fastened together as normal. But yeah, it feels super soft. Obviously it's Remy hair, so it's a good quality. It is really, really good quality hair. Oh guys, these are going to be my favourite ones so far. So I'm going to show you how I put in the hair. And the clips look so good as well. Look really high quality. So normally I'll just brush out my hair just to make sure there is no knots or anything, and then I will just literally put my 2 fingers by side of my ear and bring that all the way around to the back, and then I will just clip it out of the way. So I get the 4 clips, give it a little bit of a brush, nothing too hard, and then just bring it to the back of the hair and just feel around, and then just clip it in. And then again with this one, just give it a little wiggle and a clip and a clip. Feel really nice and not too tight, but feel really nice and snug against my scalp. And then I'll just bring the hair around to the front. This is what I'm left with. So I have, obviously I need to blend it a bit more better, but oh, I just love giving myself that little extra bit of, giving myself that extra little bit of length just adds to like the whole style of my hair, and it just feels like it's my natural hair. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel tight, it just feels really, really nice to the scalp. The scalp doesn't feel bumpy. Oh, I absolutely love it. This is the Remy hair. It's super easy to put in. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel tight on the scalp like it's going to give me a headache. Like some hair extensions, they're so tight that I feel like they're going to give me a headache. This doesn't feel like that at all. It blends perfectly with my hair colour. It gives me that extra bit of length to, if I wanted to curl it, I could, because you can curl these hair extensions. You can use heat on them. You can bleach them if you want to. You can use toners in them if you want to do that as well. These hair extensions are absolutely gorgeous and they get my approval. So if you do want to purchase your own set of Googoo hair extensions, then I'll leave all codes and links down below for you guys. So it's Tara M15 to get 15% off when you spend £30 or $30 at checkout, and it's also Tara M18 for 18% off if you buy 2 items off their website. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. I want to say thank you so much for Googoo Hair for contacting me and doing this collaboration, and I hope to work with you again in the future. So thank you so much, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, I don't know why you haven't, but if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up because it does help out my channel. Also hit that bell so that you get updated every single time I upload a video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you so much, and thank you so much for all your love and support. It never goes unmissed, guys. I love you so much. Thanks, guys. Bye.